Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And today we'll talk about how AI agents are going to completely change how you interact and use AI. Let me show you with the quick demo. Uh, okay, this is my local setup and I'm using QWEN model as of today. Um, so let me ask it something. Okay, what is share price of Sharda Motors as of today? Okay. So now you see it is doing something, not reproducing any results. But let me show you. It is actually doing some research work. Basically going over the web, checking all the links where Sharda Motor, where Sharda Motor is specified, and is trying to fetch the result of the share price of the Sharda Motor. It is actually going to take 2 minutes to fetch it. Um, and then basically it is going me the results. You must be saying that okay, all of this is fine because there are a lot of web search APIs available out there which can easily give you all this information. But this is beyond that. Web search can give you the information that is readily available over the internet, but this can do way beyond that. For example, now I'm going to ask it. Last message I received from my wife, uh, Nehi. Basically, now it needs something to correlate. Morning WhatsApp. Um, okay. So basically, yeah, this is correct. And the last message she sent was the YouTube short of her dance video. So now you see that, like, right, the possibilities are endless. You can ask it to basically check the last order and check the status of the last order, like whether it has been processed or not, whether it has been delivered or not on Amazon. And let's try that as well. uh, let's try, can you fetch price of 1 TB SSD, 1 TB SN770 on Amazon.in and all the offers as of today. So now you see, right? Like this can completely transform, this can automate tasks, this can obliterate like the whole integrations that you had to do with your AI agents. Like earlier you had to do like, okay, integrate AI agent with the Telegram, then you had to do one agent for one integration for Amazon, one integration for WhatsApp, one integration for Netflix, and then one integration with the Google Suite. But now you don't have to do anything. You just have to set up your browser. If you are logged in on your browser, that's it. You can basically, it can do almost all the stuff for you. Although, yeah, this is pretty correct. Okay, now you see, right? This has already opened Amazon.in. It has searched for WD SN770, has checked the price, and uh, like as of the offer current deals, discounts can be fetched directly from this context. You might find, ठीक है, but this has done a lot, right? From checking the price of a stock, from checking the last message sent by my wife on WhatsApp, from checking the price of a product on Amazon.in. You see, the possibilities are endless. Okay, let's try one last intent, and then we will see how to implement all of this. Fetch the details of last order I made on Amazon.in. Let's see what it can do with this query. It is taking a lot of time. Okay, let's go to Novi and see. Okay, but okay, so it has like it is selecting stuff on Amazon.in page. I don't know. Okay, returns and orders. It has gone to returns and orders section. Then again selected the whole stuff. Uh, 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 And you see, right, it is like performing all the actions and required to fetch the details of the order, and then it will return me the details of the order over here, right? So this is how it does the whole pipeline, execute the whole pipeline step by step. Now we'll see how to implement all of this. So this is like fairly correct, right? Based on your information provided, the last order was on 14th December, and the order amount was 324 rupees, which is correct, right? And it has generated a beautiful name for the chat, right? Now I'm going to tell you basically how to implement this setup. So for this, I'm using a tool called browser use. Okay. So this is a tool that has recently landed, and I love this tool. So enable AI to control your browser, and as I was enabling AI to control my browser, and basically it is a alternative to Operator, which is one of the tools that OpenAI has recently launched. And then browser use, they are claiming to have more accuracy than Operator as well, which is again subjective. I don't know, but but great part is it is really open source, and the setup is like you can you have literally write two lines of code to get it get it installed on your laptop. So let's go to quick start, and you execute these four lines and you are all done. Like you install UV, you install you set up a virtual environment, and then you install browser use, and you install playwright, and then you have to execute this script. So basically this is doing nothing but like executing this small Python script instructions. And if you are comfortable with Docker, you can also install this browser use UI. So this is a basically UI on top of browser use, and they have completely Dockerized it. So for Docker installation, you have to basically simply clone this repo, and like copy the environment file, set your LLM keys, and then you are all set. So this also gives you a VNC where you can see like what AI is doing under the hood, and this also gives you a interface like this. Okay, so this gives you an interface like this where you can like try things. You can run it, and it will over here give you the recordings as well. Recordings of your last searches. So these are the recordings that I did over the time, and this will be the recording of the last search that we did. Let's try to play it out again. Okay. I think this is one of the former searches that we did when we tried to fetch the price of WDS in 770. But you get all the recordings, etc. As well from this. Refresh, but yeah, this is a great UI that they provide out of the box. So browser use, and now I'm using browser use with OpenWeb UI. So over here I have created, so OpenWeb UI is the interface to interact with your locally hosted LLaMA models. Basically, as I mentioned, I'm using QWEN 2. So this provides a neat chat interface on top of that, and you can also integrate tools with it. And this is fairly powerful. Like for me, for my local use case, I can like now search Telegram. I can now do a lot of stuff over my Telegram. I can do a lot of stuff over my home search assistant. So this has opened a whole new um, like plethora of ideas that I can now execute. I'll do uh, more like experiments on top of this. I'll create a workflow over Init, and which will give me even more control. Or maybe I'll create a workflow over Diffie, and we'll post new videos next week. I hope this was exciting to you as well, and Feel free to leave a comment feedback for me, and thanks for watching.